Welcome to this walk around video. Today I'm going to show you around this Land Rover Autobiography, being a P525 V8 variant. Lovely spec on this car. It's finished in Carpathian Grey premium metallic. Does also come with head-up display. It's got the contrast black roof. It's also had the 21-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. Privacy glass also to the rear, and it does come with the electric deployable tow bar to the rear. Further specification, it does include the rear seat entertainment. Do have executive class rear seats with memory function. They are both heated and ventilated with your winged headrests. It's got the leather headlining, sliding panoramic roof. Just lovely specification. And up front you do of course also have the ebony leather, heated leather and wood steering wheel, and the seats in the front are 24-way heated and cooled with memory and massage function. Lovely. Does of course have 360-degree cameras and park assist, Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, TV reception, etc. It's also got electronic air suspension as standard. A few other features: it's got the pixel LED headlights, adaptive cruise control, soft close doors, keyless entry, etc. If you do have any questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 1133.